Smart homes are getting smarter. You must have seen these smart home devices, which you can control via mobile app or via voice commands, like smart lightings, bulbs, plugs, sockets, outlets, switches, TV, thermostats, doorbell, and smart speakers like Alexa and Google Home, etc. Have you ever wondered how all these devices talk to each other? Behind the scenes, several wireless protocols are at work, like Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, BLE, Zigbee, Thread, and Z-Wave. Let's make it simple. Let's start with a simple analogy. Imagine your smart home as a network of roads and vehicles. Each one is like a different road system your devices use to communicate. And the smart devices means the cars or vehicles which supports that network protocol allowed to travel on that specific road. So in this scenario, Wi-Fi is like a high-speed highway, perfect for large, data-hungry devices like video doorbells, cameras, and voice assistants. It's fast but power-hungry, which sometimes makes it unsuitable for small battery-powered sensors. Then, Bluetooth and BLE, Bluetooth Low Energy, are like short city streets, quick and ideal for personal devices nearby. They're great for pairing things like headphones, wearables, or unlocking doors from your phone. Then next, Zigbee is a classic mesh network. Devices pass messages through each other. It works well for smart bulbs and switches, but typically needs a hub to connect with your smart assistant. Then, Z-Wave is another wireless protocol used in smart homes. Think of it as its own quiet, private road system, running on a quieter frequency band. Unlike Wi-Fi or Bluetooth, Z-Wave doesn't compete for bandwidth with your phone or laptop. It uses the 900 MHz band, which means less interference and better range through walls. Z-Wave creates a mesh network, but require a dedicated hub to coordinate everything. Then comes Thread. Thread protocol is like the modern smart road, low power, secure, and built for IoT. It uses IPv6, meaning each device has its own address. Thread is also a wireless mesh networking protocol designed specifically for smart home and IoT devices. It enables direct, peer-to-peer communication between devices, forming a reliable and self-healing mesh network. Thread is ideal for battery-powered devices like sensors and remotes because it uses very little power and doesn't require a central hub, just a Thread border router to connect the mesh to the internet or other networks. So all these roads, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, Thread, Zigbee, Z-Wave, handle the travel of data. But what about the language they speak? That's where Matter comes in. So in this scenario, Matter is the language spoken by the drivers. It ensures that smart devices, no matter who made them, understand each other perfectly. Matter is the common language that makes smart devices from different brands work together seamlessly, regardless of the network they use. It runs over Wi-Fi and Thread, and it's backed by the biggest names in the industry. Matter handles the commands, like turn on, lock, or set to 72 degrees, so devices can finally understand each other. In a modern smart home, protocols like Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, Thread, Zigbee, and Z-Wave quietly handle networking, while Matter ties it all together, creating a smart home that is simple, secure, and truly connected. So this was all about brief overview of typical smart home protocols. In our next video, we're going to see relationship between Thread and Matter. Stay tuned.